Need to save something on your screen quickly? Whether it's a message or an important document, your Vivo X300 offers 7 ways to take a screenshot. In this video, I'll show you all the easiest methods to take screenshots on the Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Don't miss the 4th hidden way to take a screenshot on the latest Vivo phones. Let's jump in. Method 1. Use the power and volume buttons. The fastest and most common method is using the hardware buttons. Simply press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. You'll hear the shutter sound or see a screenshot animation. Method 2. 3-finger swipe gesture. Place 3 fingers on the screen and swipe down. Your phone will instantly capture a screenshot. If this gesture isn't working, open Settings, go to Shortcuts and Accessibility, then Super Screenshot, and make sure Gesture Screenshot or 3-finger screenshot is enabled. Method 3. Use Control Center. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to access the Control Center. Tap the Edit icon. Find the Screenshot shortcut, and tap and hold and drag it to top of the Control Center. Tap Screenshot icon to take a screenshot on Vivo phone. Method 4. Super Screenshot Panel. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to access the Control Center. Tap Super Screenshot to open its panel. Here you can use Screenshot, Record Screen, Scrolling Screenshot, Area Screenshot, and Area Recording. Method 5. Partial Screenshot. Swipe down with 3 fingers and hold to trigger Area Screenshot on supported interface. After triggered, you can customize the screenshot area and shape. Method 6. Capture a scrolling screenshot or long screenshot. Need to save an entire web page or long conversation? After taking a screenshot, tap Scroll or Long Screenshot from the Preview toolbar to taking a scrolling screenshot. Your phone will automatically scroll down and capture additional content. When you've captured everything you need, tap Save button to capture full screenshot it. And that's how you can take a screenshot on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE using multiple methods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.